Guy behind me is riding my bike and I'm riding his. We have switched our rides. So he's enjoying my bike. Durga Puja. Celebration of Durga Puja. Yeah. वो चल रहा है क्या? वो चल रहा है? Well, now we have left a crowded area. We are heading towards the dense forest kind of place. It's getting dark. We're gonna rock! Alright people, we are going dark now. No sign of people, only two of us. Tonight we will be doing camping, night camping in the jungle. It's gonna be fun. So that's my buddy. Enjoy this beautiful night. Beautiful jungle. Oh shit, man. I think I have just tossed the tank bank. So he says he's gonna buy a new enduro dual sport dirt bike soon, and either he's gonna take Kawasaki or there is another bike coming up very soon, that Honda CRF 300L. That's your plan, right? Yeah. Honda CRF 300L or Kawasaki KLX 230?
Now I'm a bit confused.
Okay, so he's a confused guy right now. He doesn't know. Even though he's enjoying this bike, he loves it right now. So here the forest start. We have already entered. There are a lot of deers cross the path often, and elephants as well. This is how it looks like. Camping on camping song. Nights out for boys. I think it's gonna rain. My bike looks pretty sexy, man. First time I'm seeing my bike as a viewer. Looks like we have found a very suitable spot to spend the night. This is the only light source we have. I'll show you the place around. But the other one, I'm gonna have to ignite the engine. Then only you can see light. But it also comes with a noise, and we don't want to make any noise. Right. Shall we set the tent? Let's do it. After a long time, we are doing this shit together.
The last time हम लोग गए थे छत्तीसगढ़ में.
Yes, we are searching for a emergency light. There was a time when we too used to do a lot of trip night outs, staying in some different places. Our bikes broke down. We had faced a lot of trouble, but we did a lot of journeys. But in between, somehow we had to stop it for doing some family shit and doing jobs and stuff like that. And here we are again after how many years?
Near about 8 years.
8 years.
8 years. 8 years.
8 years. Big deal, man. 8 years is a big deal. The source of light is damn, looks good. Let me turn off this flashlight of my phone. This is how it looks like. Good. Let's do it. Yeah, buddies, we haven't prepared our dinner yet, but we have already done the setup of our tent. Ground is pretty much even though whole jungle's like kind of wet because it was drizzling, raining whole day, and the spot we have chosen is kind of wet but even, so there won't be any problem. This is how it feels like camping at night. The small bugs are being attracted to the light. I hope no lethal animal is gonna get attracted. Here's the food.
Here's the food. We have Maggie, we have potato peeler, we have spoon, we have carrot.
2 minutes Maggie, Singapore.
We have potato.
Chance to win Singapore trip.
And we have...
Yeah, so we're gonna go for a trip to Singapore tonight after having this. So get ready. Once we get inside the tent, maybe in the morning, we'll wake up in Singapore. Yeah, let's just give you a quick house tour.
House tour.
I'm just keeping it here.
आ रहा है क्या? एकदम आ रहा है.
Okay, honey, we're home. Let's put the shoe outside. Keep your shoes outside. Ah, nice. Damn, it smells like new water tank. Newly bought water tank from the hardware store. Can you wait? What's that noise?
I don't know.
A little growling noise I can
Yeah.
hear.
So somebody is walking.
Someone has stomachache in the jungle. खाने के लिए या पेट खराब है पता नहीं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या क्या हो रहा है. Horrible. Anyways, we are enjoying.
We are enjoying.
So far so good. We are enjoying. यहाँ से कोई देखेगा बाहर से झाँक रहा है. सुबह को अगर देखेंगे, सुबह को या रात को देखेंगे ऐसे झाँक रहे जूतो दिए हमारा मार वो चौक गेले तो अंदर के पास करे. सही है, सही ठीक. Well, people, as you can see, we are all set now, just about to ignite. Look at him. He has all the camping tools, necessary things that is really needed for camping.
आतिशबाजी.
Nice. फट ना जाए.
ये प्लान तो फेल होता हुआ दिख रहा है.
क्या हो रहा है?
यहाँ पर ब्लास्ट होने वाला है. साला इतना बार हो रहा है, यहाँ क्यों नहीं हो रहा भाई?
गैस तो मुझे लगता है
फैल गया वातावरण में. भुश करके ना हो जाए.
We kept our bike right beside us. जल जा.
इसे नहीं करेंगे.
बेहतर यही है कि क्या कहते हैं इसको, माचिस से कीजिए.
इसके रख के फायदा नहीं है.
So we're gonna use this matchbox burning. This is the way I'm making video because the light which we are using, it's only faced towards the kitchen. It smells well. Smells good. Yes.
हम डालेंगे 2 मिनट, जो कभी भी 2 मिनट में नहीं बनती.
Look at this, man. Look at this. Human talk.
ये रहा आपका.
Oh, okay. Cheers.
Cheers bro.
Cheers. Night out.
Cheers.
So, how does it taste?
Taste good.
Okay. Well,
I think
so far.
This one is not so spicy.
Okay.
I think this one is spicy.
Okay, I'll have the spicy one. Yo, people, we're back again after dinner. As you can see, we're inside this tent, and look at this. We're feeling very sleepy right now, and the floor is pretty much cold. As I've mentioned before, it's wet everywhere outside.
Right.
And let's see tomorrow at what time we get up. What about you, Mr. Pradeep Pandit? What you want to say?
I'm very sleepy right now. The time.
What's the time?
Time is 12:30. 12:30. So
Look at that! Look at that!
Look at that.
Unwanted visitor. Yo. Bagaye. These things have to go. This is gonna be a big trouble. हम लोगों को भी बाहर जाना पड़ेगा फिर.
इसको मैं पकड़ के सो जाता हूँ रात को.
अरे भाई साहब, आप तो खतरनाक. मतलब
इसको अंदर देंगे ना तो कीड़ा मकोड़ा जितना भी है ना ये सब मर जाएगा, तो भाग जाएगा, समझे ना.
अच्छा.
अंदर से तो कम भाग जाएगा ये.
A very adventurous night we're gonna experience tonight. See, we have a mosquito repellent, this coil, and we're about to make them escape this tent. Unwanted guests are supposed to vacate this tent right now. Here, camera. Okay, good night everybody.
कल सुबह मिलते हैं.
We'll meet tomorrow in the morning. आंखें खोलिए और देखिए सुबह हो गया.
कितना बुरा है.
Have survived the night. Shit man, first time. This is first time, spending night in a forest. Finally.
यार नींद तो टूटी बहुत बार, पता नहीं यार पीछे क्या खड़खड़ कर चलने की आवाज आ रही थी यहाँ पर पीछे.
I don't know. Let me just, take a look around. Look around. Is it dense? Dense will be like pretty much dark, right?
Dark.
Yeah. Well, this is not dense, at least in daytime, but at night, it is kind of scary. Eerie, spooky, but we survived. Damn, this is our bikes. They survived. They too survived. Tent. Nice. What a view. Right, shall we move?
Yeah.
Let's go. Time to go. Move. Time to move. Let's roll. Train ride is always fun. Turns out, train rides are pretty awesome, right? Train rides are always fun. Yeah, train rides. So this is the reason why you are called Dawn Rider.
ठीक है, हाईवे से तुम लोग लेफ्ट लेके जाओ तुम कलकत्ता की तरफ, और मैं चल जाऊंगा इधर.
तो सीधा हाईवे ही टच करेगा ना?
ये सीधा का हाईवे टच करेगा तुम्हें.
हाँ तो ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
चलिए फिर मिलते हैं.
ओके.